Hello and welcome back to my channel where I'm documenting my journey on the OPTAVIA 5-in-1 plan. And this is just a short video to update you guys on a couple of things. So my week started off great. I was raring to go. I was on plan. And then I got the stomach flu. So I was super sick to my stomach for 3 days, and I am just now feeling a little bit better. So needless to say, it was very hard to stay on plan, and I wasn't able to. But it got me thinking, I've been in kind of a rut, and I just think I need to take a little bit of a mental break. I know last fall, I switched over back to Weight Watchers, and I was doing that for a few weeks. And I just needed to clear my head. And when I restarted OPTAVIA, I was doing great. I think sometimes we need just a little reset. So that being said, my plan is to do calorie counting with the app called Lose It. Now, I've had that app for quite a while, and basically it's like MyFitnessPal. It will just add up your calories. You can actually use a barcode scanner and things like that. So I programmed in all of my information, and what it determined was that I should have about 1,233 calories a day. Now, I'm pretty sure that if I work out, I can actually get a few extra calories. And I do have my Apple Watch synced to the Lose It app. My goal is to do this up until Mike and I go to Niagara Falls. So Mike is turning the big 6-0 in a couple weeks, and we have a little trip to Niagara Falls planned. So I think what I'm gonna do is do a solid 2 weeks counting calories, see where I'm at. I don't expect to lose as much weight as I do when I'm on the OPTAVIA 5-in-1 plan. I really do love that program. I think I just need to get out of my rut so that when I get back from my trip, I can get restarted and get my mind back in the game. And I got the idea because I follow Lauren Jensen. She does Weight Watchers, or she used to do Weight Watchers, and she is going to do MyFitnessPal. She's not going to be doing Weight Watchers anymore for a while. She is switching back to just being in a calorie deficit. And I think that might be good for me because, you know, when I am doing the 5-in-1, it's pretty regimented. You have 5 fillings a day and you make 1 lean and green recipe at home, or you can eat it out in a restaurant. But typically you want to make your lean and greens at home because you measure your protein, you measure your vegetables, whether or not you have a healthy fat, you measure that. You get 3 condiments, very structured. And that structure works. But what I'm finding is if I slip up even just a little bit, like earlier this week, I was so sick to my stomach that all I really wanted was toast. Well, toast is not on the OPTAVIA 5-in-1 plan. So, I mean, my stomach was upset, so I really didn't overeat. But when I go off plan, then I have the diet mentality I work so hard trying to get rid of. But if I go off plan, I more times than not am like, well, I went off plan. Might as well have whatever I want. Might as well drink a bottle of wine. Might as well have some pizza, whatever it is. And with just calorie counting, I think that way, no matter what I eat, as long as I keep it within my goal of 1,233 calories a day, it's not going to spark that mentality because nothing is off limits. And I think I need that for a little bit. So that is my plan. Now, will I go back to OPTAVIA 5-in-1? I absolutely will. I just want to get through the next couple weeks, get through Mike's birthday, get through Niagara Falls, And then when I get back, I want to have a clean slate and restart it for a while. Now, I've done OPTAVIA on and off for almost 2 years. And, you know, sometimes you just get a little burned out. And I think that's where I'm at. And I do want to lose more weight for my daughter's wedding. I have 3 months, so I still have 3 months. I don't expect to lose too much doing this calorie counting, but I know how to eat healthy. I'm a lifetime member of Weight Watchers. I've been making lean and greens for the last 2 years. I know what healthy food looks like. And for the most part, that is what I'm going to stick to. Now, I probably will incorporate some fruit back into my diet, and some of the other things that I haven't had for a while trying to be on the OPTAVIA 5-in-1. And just see how it goes. I will monitor my weight loss. Now, my question to you guys is, do you want to follow along on this journey that I'm going to have over the next couple weeks, where I am just counting calories using the Lose It app? If you are interested in seeing that, please shoot me a comment below. And I'm going to try to do some fun recipes that I might not necessarily be able to have on the OPTAVIA 5-in-1. I'm just going to explore different things. And I would love to take you guys along for the ride. And then, you know, when I get past Mike's birthday and Niagara Falls, I'll restart the 5-in-1 with a fresh attitude. At least that is my plan. So please let me know what you think. And if you are interested in following along, let me know what some of your favorite recipes are that aren't necessarily lean and greens. Because I'll try anything. I love to cook and I love to try new recipes. All right, I just wanted to give you that quick update. Mike's coming over this evening, and I think we're gonna go up to our local bistro, Wolfie's, and I really like that place because they have fabulous salads. So I think that's what I'm gonna have. And then I'm just gonna settle down for the rest of the night. If you guys are interested in continuing with me on this journey where I'm counting calories, let me know. And my next video will be a vlog of what I eat in a day. But I am going to say goodbye for now. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. I just had to come in here and show you guys Leo. He is so funny. He loves to lay on his back. And you can see the TV's up there. A lot of times he'll lay on his back and he'll angle his head so that he's watching the TV upside down. He is so funny. Yeah, we definitely have to have a little more Leo in these videos. All right, guys. Leo and I say goodbye for now. See you soon.